When someone says, have a salad, it just makes me think of a diet I don't want to be on. So let's dive into this broccoli edamame salad with a twist. It's got the irresistible crunch of peanuts and a dressing with the creamy richness of peanut butter. Combine broccoli slaw with edamame, cucumber, fresh mint, and cilantro. The wow factor is when you get into the dressing. Peanut butter and tahini play really well together, so add soy sauce, toasted sesame oil, some heat with chili oil, fresh flavor with garlic, ginger, and lime juice, and a kiss of sweet with some honey. This salad bursts with vibrant flavors and textures and packs a punch with health benefits. Every bite is a delight for your taste buds and a smart choice for your heart. It's also the perfect make-ahead lunch or dinner that's snackable and packable. For more recipe inspiration, head over to gapeanuts.com.